Introducing the AMD Versal AI Edge Series Gen 2 VEK 385 Evaluation Kit. This platform enables developers to evaluate AIE ML-optimized AI engines and explore their capabilities within a heterogeneous processing system. It is ideally suited for the development of compute-intensive machine learning inference applications. The core of the VEK 385 evaluation board is the Versal AI Edge Series Gen 2 2VE3858 device, with an architecture that combines processor subsystems, programmable logic, AI engines for machine learning, and DSP engines. The AMD Versal AI Edge Series Gen 2 device integrates pre-processing, AI inference, and post-processing in a single device, enhancing efficiency and performance. It features world-class programmable logic for real-time pre-processing, next-generation AI engines offering up to 3 times the TOPS per watt, and high-performance CPUs providing up to 10 times the scalar compute versus previous generations. The Versal AI Edge Series Gen 2 is designed for a broad range of embedded markets, including those with high security, high reliability, long lifecycle, and safety-critical applications that span across industries such as automotive, industrial, healthcare, and aerospace and defense. The evaluation board is shipped with a one-page document that includes a useful overview of the board, including a code to redeem access to the AMD Vivado design suite. Additionally, the kit includes accessories including a power supply, USB, HDMI, and Ethernet cables, a microSD card, and optical loopback modules. Let's go over the board's key features. The boot mode switch allows for different boot options via JTAG, Octal SPI, and UFS, with JTAG being the default switch setting for the kit. The onboard memory includes 20 GB of LPDDR5 component memory for high-speed data handling, an FMC Plus connector for high-speed I/O expansion wired to 4 GTYP channels with 68 user-defined signals, a BY-8 PCIe Edge connector that enables protocol support in multiple configurations of the AMD IP solution for PCIe Gen 5x4 or Gen 4 and Gen 3x8. HDMI 2.1 input and output interfaces, SFP28 and QSFP28 connectors for 25 gigabit per lane of high-speed Ethernet applications, a high-speed debug port that provides bidirectional access to the device from an external debug module sold separately to allow for high-speed debug and trace operations, interfaces such as CAN-FD and Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 connectors. The board also includes the system controller with board evaluation and management tool. This tool provides a great way to become acquainted with the Versal platform, as well as the various examples and tools available to help you create your own designs. The Versal AI Edge Series Gen 2 VEK 385 evaluation board, accessories, and AMD Vivado, Vitis, and Vitis AI tools offer a total platform for rapid development out of the box. By leveraging the example designs and tutorials available on the VEK 385 Getting Started page, you can quickly evaluate the Versal AI Edge Series Gen 2 device and start developing specific AI inference applications using our latest processing system, programmable logic, I/O, AI engines, hard image or video processing, LPDDR5X, integrated GPU, and safety and security features. Visit the AMD VEK 385 Evaluation Kit product page to learn more about the board or to purchase the kit.